Hello everybody, and thanks for joining us to take a look at EWSI, the Ewsi Systems Incorporated. This is a stock chart video analysis brought to you by Real Deal Pennies. It's a really good looking chart here. I'm very excited to go over it with you. Let's start with the previous close. It was 3 cents. We closed up also at 3 cents, giving us a 0% change on a volume of 2,559,987. The stock chart's just looking fantastic here, and it's also super undervalued, and it's bottomed out, ready to start moving again. We could see something fantastic happen with EWSI. I also thought it was interesting, and it brought it to my attention that earlier this year, the company announced that they were aggressively trying to get Nasdaq. They were trying to get uplisted. So that's another thing that EWSI has going for it. It's got huge upside potential here. So let's go over the indicators and see how it's looking technically. EWSI has a lot of really good things going for it, in my opinion. The 14-day RSI is at 38.32. It's looking pretty good. We have slowed down here, which is always a good sign. We were in this steady decline, and seeing it level out is really telling us that it's preparing to move upwards again. And I like this a lot. Furthermore, we didn't go down too low, such as we had previously at the very end of last year. So that's also showing me that we've gained some more support and some strength here, and investors are really behind it and helping it build that support to start moving upwards even further than before. The daily charts here are looking good. Like I said, we're bottomed out. We came down and touched the bottom of our Bollinger Band. That's always a good sign. When it recovers from that, we did see that it got all the way down there as a low of 0.0281, actually giving some people an opportunity for gains today alone. So seeing it hit that bottom and bounce back up again is always a good sign. You can see that it not so much in this chart previously. We have had it happen back here where it touched the bottom Bollinger Band before bouncing back up and moving upwards again. It happened again here big time, where we came down and just touched it for that one day and started riding it up. That was a huge breakout there. These things tend to happen. We did see it happen maybe a little bit more recently at the end of November, where it bounced off of that. I like to see this move up further than this most recent past move back here. Usually when it hits that bottom Bollinger Band, it likes to bounce up strong. So I'd like to see that happen in the near future here. I'm seeing that actually happening pretty soon, since we have had rising volume here that's showing some great accumulation. EWSI dailies are looking pretty good. I'd say since we're bottomed out here, we are trading really tightly beneath this channel here between our bottom Bollinger Band and that 12-day EMA. We did also close above the EMA, which is a bullish indicator, seeing that we have gained that as support moving forward. Hopefully Monday we can see it really continue to build off of that. We can get some more supporters in there with us as well. We are also really close to our 50-day moving average. This is also another good sign. Crossing over that would be fantastic. That will act as really good support here. You can see this this teal looking line here. This is our 200-day moving average at 0.036, and it's ascending here. We are getting pretty close to that one as well. All in all, we got tons of big crossovers happening anytime now. It's always a really bullish thing to see, so keep your eyes on this. Look for those crossovers, and you should be fine. On our MACD line, you can see that we have seen this starting to level out as well. Everything was really in a solid downtrend for a while, and it's been leveling out lately. It's been slowing down, showing accumulation and building strength here. So seeing this do that, you can see the histograms getting just a tiny bit closer to that zero line here. It's always a good sign. They're getting some strength there. I'd like to see that crossover in the near future as well. Let's take a look down at our tricks lines here. The 15-day tricks is reacting much like our MACD line now, where it's slowly starting to level out. It's still kind of in a downtrend here, but this is also a trailing indicator, so it hasn't accounted for Friday's movement yet. I'd like to see that continue to level out and make another move to cross over its tricks line. I like that they are so close together, so any significant move is going to send that over the signal line pretty quickly, which is a strong bullish indicator for a lot of investors. I know it's one of my favorites. So long term, the 30-day tricks is also looking fantastic. It's pinched nice and close with the signal line, just ready for a breakout. It's ready to move fast and hard here. So keep your eyes on those ones as well. The slow stochastics looking fantastic. We closed up right next to our signal line here. We are bottomed out on this one as well, so bouncing up is inevitable. We have bottomed out. We're right here, right where the other ones have bottomed out previously, so seeing that climb up is just, you follow the pattern, so moving that up is just inevitable. Like I said, the CCI also doing something similar, where we have bottomed out and are moving upwards on this one already, so that's also a good sign. Very bullish looking from there as well. Stochastic RSI is also bottomed out. You can see that this has been actually playing the bottom here a couple times recently. This is also telling us that this has nowhere else to go. It can't go any further down, so moving up is the only option here. And with the accumulation, everything else is just falling into place to see this really start to bounce up nice and hard. The check and money flow is a little rough right now. We are underneath that 0 line, but like I said, this is just a bottomed out play. Everything that's bottomed out right now can only move up, so building strength off of these plays is not going to be too difficult, I think. I also like that our ADX line here is showing something fantastic. Our positive DI and negative DI are diverging right now, meaning that the green DI is moving up while the negative DI is moving down here. They're gaining that distance, letting us know that we have started to form an uptrend again. However, the ADX line itself is at 19.25 and moving down. This is going to take a little while to start leveling out and moving upwards again, but it's still relatively close to that 25 number, letting us know that it's relative. This isn't entirely relative yet, but gaining some strength on this is inevitable as well. The accumulation distribution, like I said, has been looking pretty good, so the stock moving up is just a pretty fantastic opportunity, I think. So all in all, this is a strong bottom play, like I said, so keep that in mind. The PVO is looking good. We are pinched nice and close with our signal line, looking to cross over on that one as well and start moving up. This is in a nice place right now at 6.465. We are above that 0 line. And it leveled out. Like, this one was moving down as well previously like all the other ones, and to see this level out and start making some positive movements is just a good sign as well. Very bullish. The money flow index is doing something very similar, where it bounced out and is moving up. It's at 22.73. If you guys have followed the trends previously, you can see that these things bottomed out and skyrocketed again before coming back down. That's just a cycle of things. So this is a fantastic opportunity to get it at the bottom. Take a look at our accumulation distribution chart. It has just been climbing and climbing for the last however many months I got on here, for a long time, since about May, even previous to that. So this is just a fantastic thing to see, and all these investors have been accumulating. There's been lots of holding. EWSI has a lot of investors behind it and is looking to move this forward, obviously. So the unbalanced volume, lastly, is also leveled out from its downward movement there, so I like to see that also. All the downward trends on this are starting to make a recovery here. They have leveled out. Anything could happen on Monday, so I want to keep you informed, keep you up to date on this one as well. So take a look at it and tell me what you think in the comment section below. And if you want more information on EWSI, I welcome you to come over to the website here, realdealpennies.com. You can sign up and get some more information on EWSI. Thank you guys for watching.